Hey guys, this is Jose right here from One Way Lamp Service. Today I want to work on the Echo ES-250 hand blower. We're gonna replace the throttle cable. It's basically a tiny little piece of cable. I only pay $1.50 on my local dealership. So let's go ahead and take a look. Hand blower is probably 7 years old. It was my first one and my only one hand blower that I have purchased on my life. It's so powerful, so great. The intention buying this one was to collect leaves through the fence right here because it's capable. You put it back and everything, but I haven't used it since it was not a good option for me. So I keep it just for blowing gutters and stuff like that. So you can start on this by removing the screws right here, down there, 6 of them, pretty much removing a spark plug and the cover, and that's it. So let's go ahead and fix that little throttle cable because it's gonna be located from here all the way to there.